Very good morning, students. Today we are going to discussing about yesterday the female reproductive system is completed. Today we are going to discussing about that is the important topic gametogenesis. Today we are going to discussing about gametogenesis. 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 Today we are going to discussing about gametogenesis. Gametogenesis means formation of the gametes. Gametogenesis means formation of the gametes. Formation of the gametes. Formation of the gametes. Formation of the male gametes. Formation of the female gametes. Formation of the male gametes. Formation of the female gametes. The formation of the male gametes. Formation of the female gametes. Female gametes. Formation of the male gametes. Formation of the female gametes. The male gametes are also known as sperm cells. The sperm production, sperm cells. The female gametes are also known as the ovum or egg. Ovum or egg. The formation of the male gametes is known as spermatogenesis. Spermatogenesis. The formation of the male gametes is known as a spermatogenesis. Spermatogenesis. Formation of the male gametes is known as a spermatogenesis. Formation of the female gametes is known as a formation of the female gametes. Formation of the female gametes is known as a oogenesis. The spermatogenesis process takes place testis. Spermatogenesis process takes place in testis. Oogenesis process takes place in ovary. The oogenesis process takes place in ovary. The spermatogenesis process takes place in the testis. It is consist of the testis. The internal anatomy of the testis. It is consist of each testis consists of 250 compartments. There is 250 testicular lobules. Each testicular lobules is consist of, each compartment is consist of 1 to 3 highly coiled seminiferous tubules. These seminiferous tubules produce sperm cells. The internal lining of the seminiferous tubules is consist of two types of cells. What is the first type of cell? Germ cells. The germ cells means it is consist of spermatogonium mother cells. These spermatogonium mother cells produce sperm cells. The second type of cells, Sertoli cells. These Sertoli cells, they will provide nourishment to the sperm cells. They will provide food to the nourishment to the these sperm cells. Coming to the next one, the testis. The spermatogenesis process. The spermatogenesis process takes place in the seminiferous tubules of the testis. Seminiferous tubules. Seminiferous tubules. The spermatogenesis process takes place in the testis consists of seminiferous tubules. The internal anatomy of the testis, that is the seminiferous tubules, consists of germ cells. These germ cells nothing but spermatogonium mother cells or stem cells. They will produce sperm cells. They will continuously divide. They are participated into the mitotic and meiosis division. They will continuously produce. They continuously produce sperm cells. They continuously produce sperm cells. The seminiferous tubules produce sperm cells. This produce sperm cells. The sperm produce sperm cells. Okay, this process takes place inside the seminiferous tubules. Okay, coming to this one, the female gametes are ovum or egg. This takes place in the ovary. The ovary also, the inner lining of the ovary also consists of oogonium mother cells. These oogonium mother cells or oogonium stem cells, they will continuously divide. They also participated into the mitotic and meiosis 1 and meiosis 2 process. They finally will produce egg cells. They will produce finally egg cells. Coming to the, what is the first one? First, we are going to discuss about the detailed manner about the spermatogenesis process. Spermatogenesis process. The detailed manner of the spermatogenesis process. What is the first process? Two process. And what is the gametogenesis? What is the first process? Spermatogenesis. The spermatogenesis process takes place in the males. In the females, the oogenesis process takes place in the female. That is the ovaries. What is the first one? In the male, what is the gametogenesis means? Two process. The first one, spermatogenesis process. Spermatogenesis process. Spermatogenesis process. Here, oogenesis process. Oogenesis process. The spermatogenesis process takes place in the testis. Okay, the testis. The oogenesis takes place in the ovaries. The oogenesis takes place in the testis means it is indicate. It takes place in the males. It is indicate takes place in the females. The testis and ovaries. The testis and ovaries are nothing but gonads. The testis and ovaries are nothing but gonads. The testis and ovaries are nothing but gonads. Okay, coming to the next one. First one, what is the first one? Spermatogenesis process. Which hormones to regulate the spermatogenesis process? Which hormones? The hormone regulation of the spermatogenesis process. Hormone regulation of the spermatogenesis process. Hormone regulation of the hormonal regulation of the spermatogenesis. Hormonal regulation of the spermatogenesis. Hormonal regulation of the spermatogenesis. Which hormones to regulate to produce the sperm cells? Which regulate their participation? Which hormones they participated into to produce the sperm cell? Coming to the first one, at the 12 to 13 years. 12 to 13 years means at the time of at puberty. Puberty means that is adolescence age. Once the male baby reaches into the 12 to 13 years age, this baby consists of hypothalamus. Generally, the hypothalamus is present in the hypothalamus. It is located in the brain, the first endocrine part, that is the hypothalamus. After the next part, it is there. This hypothalamus consists of gonadotropin releasing hormones. What is the hormones? The hypothalamus consists of the synthesized gonadotropin releasing hormone. This gonadotropin releasing hormone is activation of the anterior pituitary. The next part is known as the anterior pituitary. This anterior pituitary leads to the gonadotropins. It leads to the gonadotropins. The anterior pituitary leads to the gonadotropins. What are the gonadotropins? The gonadotropins are two types. What is the gonadotropins? Follicle stimulating hormone. The next one, luteinizing hormone. FSH means follicle stimulating hormone. LH means luteinizing hormone. The luteinizing hormone, the follicle stimulating hormone. It is participating to the here. Follicle stimulating hormone. It is act on the Sertoli cells. It is act on the Sertoli cells. The follicle stimulating hormone activation of the Sertoli cells. The Sertoli cells consist of androgen binding protein. Androgen binding protein. This androgen binding protein concentration increases. The Sertoli cells increase the concentration of androgen binding proteins. This androgen binding protein, the Sertoli cells, These are FSH participate into the, that is the spermatogenesis. Spermatogenesis process. The spermatogenesis process. The spermatogenesis participate into the FSH. FSH is activation of the Sertoli cells. The Sertoli concentration of androgen binding protein increases. Whenever the concentration increases, there's more spermatogenesis process takes place. So coming to the next one. LH. LH means luteinizing hormone. It is produced by the anterior pituitary. It is activation of the hypothalamus. This luteinizing hormone, it is act on the name itself means is the leading cell. What is the cells? Leading cells. What is the cells? Leading cells. The leading cells are also known as the interstitial cells. What is the cells? Interstitial cells. Interstitial cells. These leading cells, they produce testosterone hormone. Testosterone hormone. What is the hormone? Testosterone hormone. This both, Sertoli cells and this testosterone hormone, they will help for the testosterone hormone and Sertoli cells. They participate the testosterone and also participate into the, it is participating into the secondary sexual characters. Secondary sexual characters. The testosterone, it is helpful for the secondary sexual characters. It is helpful for the testosterone. It is activation of Sertoli cells and also activation of the spermatogenesis process. And also the testosterone hormones also helpful for the secondary sexual characters of the males. What are the secondary sexual characters of the males and females? For example, secondary sexual primary sexual characters. Sexual characters. What are the characters? Sexual characters. The sexual characters means two types. Primary sexual characters, secondary sexual character. Primary sexual characters. What is the secondary sexual characters? Secondary sexual character. Primary sexual character means to produce gametes. Primary sexual characters means to produce gametes. The male produce male sperm cells, the female produce egg cells. It is known as a primary sexual characters. Okay, whenever they will produce sperm cells in the males, that is the primary sexual character in the males. What is the primary sexual character in the females? They produce the egg cell. That is nothing but primary sexual character. What is the secondary sexual characters of the male as well as female? In the male, that is the beard, mustache development, the shoulder, increase in size of the shoulders, changing the voice change, that is the Adam's apple, that they will forward movement of the Adam's apple, increase in height. Okay, these all movements are taking place in the sinus of the, once you are attracted to the females. These all are the sinus movement. All movements are the secondary sexual character in the males. In the case of female, what are the secondary sexual characters of the female? What is secondary sexual characters? There is a menstrual cycles, and also to produce the menstrual cycles are happening. Then, okay, each and every month the menstrual cycles, the cyclic changes of the endometriums, the breast development. This all are the and also the hair growing on the genital organs. In the female, there is genital organ vagina, the hair growing on the outer surface of the vagina. In the case of male, the genital organs like penis, that is the outer surface of the, it is consists of the hair growing of the hair. The growing of the hair, these are the secondary sexual characters. Secondary sexual character in the male and female. These all characters responsible for the hormones. Hormonal regulation of spermatogenesis. And once the male baby reaches into the boy reaches into the adolescence, that is 12 to 13 years. At the time of the puberty, the hypothalamus of the male baby, they will produce gonadotropin releasing hormone. This gonadotropin releasing hormone, activation of the anterior pituitary. This anterior pituitary releases to the gonadotropins. These gonadotropins are two types. follicle stimulating hormone. Second one, luteinizing hormone. The follicle stimulating hormone, it is the activation of the Sertoli cells. Activation of Sertoli cells. Follicle stimulating are produced with the anterior pituitary, but the Sertoli cells are present in the testis. The Sertoli cells are present in the testis. Sertoli cells are present in the testis. The leading cells are present in the testis. It is act on the other parts. Whenever the Sertoli cells activation by the follicle stimulating cells, the Sertoli cells increasing the androgen binding protein. Whenever the androgen binding protein increases, the more spermatogenesis process. Spermatogenesis means they will produce sperm cells. They will produce sperm cells. Spermatogenesis means formation of the sperm cells. Formation of the sperm cells. Coming to the second one, the second hormone, luteinizing hormone. This luteinizing hormone act on the leading cell. The leading cell present in the, between the two seminiferous tubules consist of one space known as the interstitial space. This space is consist of leading cells. These leading cells also known as the interstitial cells. They will produce testosterone hormone. This testosterone hormone also responsible for the secondary sexual characters of the male. Secondary sexual characters of the male. Coming to the main important topic for the spermatogenesis process. How this process takes place in the inside the testis. Coming to the process of the spermatogenesis process. Spermatogenesis process. How this process takes place. The spermatogenesis process. The spermatogenesis process. The spermatogenesis process. The spermatogenesis process means the formation of the male gamete is known as spermatogenesis process. The formation of the male gametes. The formation of the male gametes. Coming to the spermatogenesis process. What is the process? Spermatogenesis process. What is the process? Spermatogenesis process. Spermatogenesis process. Spermatogenesis process takes place. Formation of the what is the meaning of the what is the exact meaning of the spermatogenesis process? The immature means the immature spermatogonium mother cells to produce converted into the mature sperm cell is known as spermatogenesis process. What is the process? Spermatogenesis process. The immature means spermatogonium mother cells converted into they're modified into the mature sperm cells. Mature sperm cell is known as a spermatogenesis process. This process takes place inside the seminiferous tubules. The seminiferous tubules, the inner lining of the seminiferous tubules is consist of spermatogonium mother cells. These spermatogonium mother cells are continuously divided. They're participated into the mitotic process. After then, they're participated into the meiosis 1 and meiosis 2 process. After completion of the meiosis 2 process, they will produce sperm cells. They'll produce sperm cells inside the seminiferous tubules. The spermatogenesis process takes place in the testis. The spermatogenesis process takes place in the testis. This process takes place in the males. What is the main process? Spermatogenesis means the immature spermatogonium mother cells are converted into the mature sperm cell is known as spermatogenesis process. It takes place in the males. This takes place in the seminiferous tubules. This takes place in the seminiferous tubules. This takes place in the seminiferous tubules. The seminiferous tubules is consist of two types of cells. One type of cells known as a germinal epithelium cells or germ cells. Germinal epithelium cells are germ cells. The first type of cells it is known as a germ cells or germinal epithelium cells. The second cylindrical shaped cells. The second cylindrical shaped cells is known as a Sertoli cells. Second cells is known as a Sertoli cells. Second cell is known as a Sertoli cells. Okay, this germinal epithelium are germ cells. These germ cells, it is nothing but the germ cells, nothing but spermatogonium mother cells. Spermatogonium mother cells. Spermatogonium mother cells. Spermatogonium mother cells. These spermatogonium mother cells continuously divide. They participate into the mitotic and meiosis 1 and meiosis 2 process. They finally produce sperm cells. and will produce sperm cells. These are the immature sperm cells, immature spermatogonium cells. The immature cells are converted into the mature cells inside the, they convert the directly, they are participated into the directly converted into the, okay, mature sperm cells. This mature sperm cells head is attached to the sperm cell head is attached to the Sertoli cells. Sertoli cells. But it is attached to the Sertoli cells. Finally, the Sertoli cells, the head of the Sertoli cells bind with the head of the Sertoli cells. Okay, the head of the Sertoli cells is bind with the sperm cells. Bind with the sperm cells. Okay, coming to this process. Okay, what is the mechanism of this spermatogenesis process? What is the mechanism of spermatogenesis process? Coming to the mechanism of the spermatogenesis process. What is the mechanism of the spermatogenesis process? Mechanism of the spermatogenesis process. What is the process here? Spermatogenesis mechanism. Mechanism of the spermatogenesis process. Mechanism of the spermatogenesis process. Spermatogenesis. Mechanism of spermatogenesis process. How to represent in the flowchart manner? You can represent in the simple manner the spermatogenesis process. One point remember or keep in your mind: the spermatogenesis process takes place in the males. In the males, this process takes place in the testis. The testis consists of seminiferous tubules. If we transfer section seminiferous tubules, these seminiferous tubules consist of spermatogonium mother cells. This inner lining is made up of spermatogonium mother cells. These spermatogonium mother cells continuously divide. They will produce. They participate into the mitotic and meiotic division. They produce sperm cells. That is the keep in mind. Coming to the spermatogonium mother cells. What is the first one? 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 Spermatogonium mother cells. The spermatogonium mother cells means, for example, it is the inner lining of the seminiferous tubules. Seminiferous tubules. Seminiferous tubules. Seminiferous tubules. This seminiferous tubules is consist of the inner lining is made up of the seminiferous tubule. Inner lining is made up of germ cells. Inner lining is made up of germ cells. The germ cells are nothing but spermatogonium mother cells. Spermatogonium cells. What is the name? Spermatogonium cells. It is indicate spermatogonium cells. It is indicate spermatogonium cells. Spermatogonium cells. Spermatogonium cells. The spermatogonium cells are also known as spermatogonium mother cells. Spermatogonium stem cells. It is also known as spermatogonium mother cells. Spermatogonium stem cells. Stem cells. Spermatogonium mother cells. Spermatogonium stem cells. These all are indicated the same names. This spermatogonium, they are participated into the spermatogonium. They are continuously divided with the process known as a mitosis process. What is the process? Mitosis process. What is the process? Mitosis process. They are continuously divided. The spermatogonium mother cells, they are continuously divided. Okay, the mitosis process, they participated into the mitosis process. Mitosis process. Okay, the spermatogonium mother cells participated into the mitosis process. Whenever they participate in the mitosis process, they continuously divide. This division is known as a multiplication phase. What is the phase? This one, multiplication phase. What is the phase? Multiplication phase. What is the phase known? Multiplication phase. They continuously divide. The spermatogonium mother cells are participating in the mitosis process. They continuously divide. The spermatogonium mother cells they continuously divide the multiplication phase. Okay, some of the cells, if you observe, they continuously divide spermatogonium cells are the spermatogonium cells are which cells are they converted into the large cells. Okay, some of the large cells they're indicated. Okay, these cells is continuously divide. These cells they continuously divide. These cells again, these cells they continuously divide. The sum of these cells, Some of the some of the cells are large cells, some of the cells are small cells. Again, these cells are continuously divided. These stem cells only, these spermatogonium cells only, they are converted to the A cells and B cells. For example, it is indicated A cells, it is indicated B cells. It is indicate A cell, it is indicate B cell. This B cell, large spermatogonium cells, they are converted into the large cells, means the small cells are converted to the large cells. It is known as a growth phase. What is the phase? Growth phase. What is the phase? Okay, growth phase. First one, multiplication phase. Second one is, it is a growth phase. These small cells are converted again modified into the large cells. The continuous division of the nuclear division and cytoplasma division, cytokinesis process, and it is a karyokinesis process. Means nucleus is continuously divided and cytoplasma also going to divide some of the cells. These all are the cells. This small cell again converted into the small cells and large cells. Small cell indicate A cell, the large cell indicate B cell. This B cell means increasing size. Here, small cells converted to the large cells. This large cells are nothing but what is the phase? Growth phase. What is the phase? Growth phase. These large cells are indicate. Primary spermatocytes. Also indicate primary spermatocytes. Primary spermatocytes. These primary spermatocytes again participated into the primary spermatocyte again can enter into the they participated into the meiosis one process. They enter into the meiosis one process. Again, this primary spermatocyte converted into the secondary spermatocytes. Secondary spermatocytes. The secondary spermatocytes here. The secondary spermatocytes again divide into the secondary spermatocytes again participated into the secondary spermatocyte again participated into that is a meiosis 2 process. What is the process? Meiosis 2 process. Again the secondary spermatocytes again converted into the spermatids. These are the spermatids. Spermatids means immotile cells. Immotile, they are not movement. Okay, immotile cells. This indicate spermatids. Spermatids means non-motile cells. What is spermatids? Non-motile cells. These spermatic cells again maturation phase. What is the maturation phase? It is a growth phase coming to the primary spermatocytes to the last phase. It is indicate maturation phase. What is the phase? Third phase. Coming to the spermatic cell, the immature, that is the non-motile cells, modified into the spermatozoa. It is nothing but spermatozoa. Spermatozoa means sperm cells. Sperm cells are motile. The sperm cells are motile. This entire process takes place inside the seminiferous tubules. The male baby reaches into the adolescence age, that is 12 to 13 years age. This process is controlled by the hormones. If you observe the internal anatomy, the inner lining of the seminiferous tubules are consist of spermatogonium mother cells. These spermatogonium mother cells, that is immature Immature spermatogonium cells are converted into the mature cells. The spermatogony means immature cells are converted into the mature. The motile cells is known as a spermatogenesis process. Spermatogenesis process. It is the spermatogonium. It is always consists of 46 chromosomes. 46 chromosomes means it is existing the diploid. What is the condition of diploid multiplication phase? Coming to the next one, the primary parent spermatocytes. It is also 2n condition. What is the 46 chromosomes. 46 chromosomes. The secondary spermatocytes. It is the haploid. It is always haploid. Haploid. When spermatids are haploid. Spermatids are haploid. That is, sperm cells are haploid. Sperm cells are haploid. The sperm cells are haploid. 23 chromosomes. The sperm cell consists of 23 chromosomes. Okay, these cells are continuously divided. They participate in the mitotic divisions. Once the mitotic divisions, the large cells, the B cells, they can participate into the meiosis 1 process. The meiosis 1 process produces secondary spermatocytes. Secondary spermatocytes. The secondary spermatocytes again participate into the meiosis 2 process. It is the meiosis 1 process. Meiosis 1 process means maturation phase. Maturation phase. What is the meaning of spermatogenesis? Spermatogenesis means coming to the spermatogenesis. Spermatogenesis means spermatogenesis means spermatogenesis means spermatogenesis. Spermatogenesis. Spermatogenesis means the immature spermatogonium cells are converted into the mature sperm cell is known as spermatogenesis. What is it? The immature spermatogonium cells. Immature spermatogonium cells are converted into immature spermatogonium cells are converted into mature sperm cells. Into mature or motile mature sperm cells is known as spermatogenesis process. It is important for the need examination. Spermatogenesis process. Coming to the next one, spermiogenesis. What is it? Spermiogenesis. Spermiogenesis means the spermatids are converted into the sperm cells. That is the non-motile spermatids converted into the spermatozoa. What is it? Spermiogenesis. Spermiogenesis. Spermiogenesis means the spermatids are modified into the spermatids are modified into the spermatozoa. Spermatids are modified into the spermatozoa. The spermatids means these are the non-motile cells. Non-motile cells. These are the motile cells. Spermatozoa means sperm cells. Sperm cells. What do you know? Sperm cells. Spermiogenesis. Spermiation. The spermiation. Spermiation means the release of the sperm cells are released by the seminiferous tubules. Whenever these sperm cells after the release of the immature cells are converted to the mature sperm cells. This sperm cell finally attached to the head of the Sertoli cells. The release of sperm cell from the seminiferous tubules. The release of sperm cell released from the seminiferous tubules is known as spermiation process. Okay, the release of sperm cell from the seminiferous tubules is known as a spermiation process. What is the process? Spermiation process. Spermiation means the release of sperm cells. The release of sperm cells from the finally the release of sperm cell from the seminiferous tubules. tubules. Seminiferous tubules is known as, the seminiferous tubules is known as, that is a spermiation process. Finally, this sperm cell reaches into the seminiferous tubules to reta testis. Reta testis too, they reaches into the vasa efferentia. Vasa efferens to the epididymis. Vasa epididymis to the vasa differentia. Vasa differentia. These ducts are participating into the maturation and fertility and transportation of the sperm cells. Transportation, maturation and fertility of the fertility capacity of the sperm cells. Sperm cells. The finally, what is the spermatogenesis? Spermatogenesis, immature spermatogenesis according to the mature sperm cells. Spermiogenesis means spermatids. These are the spermatids converted into the spermatozoa. Next one, spermiation. The finally, these spermatozoa cells, the finally they are attached to the Sertoli cells. They will provide nourishment to the sperm cells. Finally, the sperms are released by the seminiferous tubules. They reaches into the seminiferous tubules, so reta testis to they will enter into the vasa efferentia. Vasa efferentia to the epididymis, epididymis to vasa differentia. Finally, the sperm cell released by the seminiferous tubules is known as a spermiation process. This process takes place inside the seminiferous tubule. The seminiferous tubule consists of germ cells. The germ cells are nothing but spermatogonium mother cells. The spermatogonium mother cells are stem cells. These spermatogonium mother cells continuously divide. They participate to the mitotic division. Mitotic division. Whenever they participate in mitotic division, they produce number of the cells. The continuous divide is known as a, this immature spermatogonium cell continuous divide is known as a multiplication. Continuously divide. They participate in the mitosis phase. What is the phase? Cell cycles. The continuous divide of the nucleus division, cytoplasm division continuously, they produce cells. The large number of the cells, they produce A cells and B cells. The large number of the cells, these cells increasing the size. Whenever the size is known as a growth phase. Okay, coming to the next one. This primary is indicated. This is a primary spermatocytes. This primary spermatocytes again participated into the meiosis 1 process. Meiosis means of division or reduction of division. The chromosome number also of the chromosome number also, the nuclear content also decreases whenever the secondary spermatocytes, see here, the secondary spermatocytes, it is a haploid condition. Whenever the meiosis process will participate, that is secondary spermatocyte. The secondary spermatocyte participates into the meiosis 2 process. Again they convert into the one secondary spermatocyte produce two spermatids. These spermatids are nothing but non-motile spermatids. These non-motile spermatids again converted into the spermatozoa. The spermatozoa is motile. It is also haploid condition. This entire phase is known as a maturation phase. How many phases? Maturation phase. This all process is controlled by the hormones. Controlled by the hormones. Once the male baby reaches into the adolescence age. Reaches into the adolescence age. Coming to the, based on this one, okay, we are doing the some numerical problems. Based on this one, numerical problems. For example, how many sperms are formed from the 100 spermatogonium cells? 100 spermatogonium cells. Coming to the process. What is the numerical values? How many spermatogonium cells? Numerical values. How many? See here. Based on the numericals. First question. What is the first one? Okay. How many sperm cells are formed? How many sperm cells are formed from the, how many sperm cells are formed from the 100 spermatogonium cells? 100 spermatogonium cells. That is the first question. How many sperm cells are formed from the 100 spermatogonium cells? How many sperm cells are formed from the 100 spermatogonium cells? Second question. How many primary spermatocytes are formed? How many sperm cells from the 100 spermatogonium? How many primary spermatocytes are formed? Spermatocytes are formed. How many spermatocytes are formed? Next question. How many secondary spermatocytes are formed? secondary spermatocytes are formed. How many sperm cells are formed from the 100 spermatogonium cells? How many primary spermatocytes are formed? How many secondary spermatocytes are formed? How many spermatids are formed? Fourth question. How many spermatids are formed? Or what? How many spermatids are formed? First one, spermatogonium, always indicate one. Okay, primary spermatocytes, it is always indicate one. Secondary spermatocytes, it is always divide two. Spermatids, it is always divide four. Sperm cells, always divide four. The spermatogonium cells produce four sperm cells. The single spermatogonium cells produce how many sperm cells? How many sperm cells? Four. The single spermatogonium cells produce how many sperm cells? Four. The end result of the spermatogenesis process, the single spermatogonium cells produce four sperm cells. The single, that is the spermatogonium cells. How many primary spermatocytes? One. Again, second spermatocytes. Two. Again, they are converted into the four spermatids. Again, they are converted into the four spermatozoa or sperm cells. Single spermatogonium cells produce how many sperm cells? Four sperm cells. Four sperm cells. The sperm cells indicate haploid. That is, spermatids indicate haploid. The secondary spermatids indicate haploid. Primary spermatids indicated that is a diploid. That is a spermatogonium indicated diploid condition. Diploid condition. It is the basic mechanism of the gametogenesis process. Okay, all I have done these all problems. Tomorrow we are going to discussing about this all problems. Okay, thank you very much.